What if you stopped writing linear code and started managing a department of digital experts? In 2026, the single prompt era is over. We're now building systems where multiple agents delegate, peer review, and solve complex problems autonomously. Today, we're breaking down the top 4 multi-agent frameworks you need to master to stay ahead as a software architect. Let's dive in. First up is LangGraph. If you've ever struggled with LangChain's black box chains, this is your solution. LangGraph treats workflows as a stateful graph. Why it matters for devs. Most frameworks are directed acyclic graphs, DAGs. They go one way. But real-world logic is messy. It needs loops. LangGraph supports cycles, allowing agents to go back, fix errors, and iterate until the job is done. The killer feature, persistence. It saves the state of the graph at every node. If a process fails or needs a human-in-the-loop approval, you can resume exactly where you left off. Best for complex, long-running reasoning tasks where you need granular control over the flow. Next is CrewAI. If LangGraph is about the flow, CrewAI is about the people. Well, the agent personas. It uses a role-based approach that feels like managing a scrum team. The authentic take. You don't just give a prompt. You define a researcher, a technical writer, and a manager. CrewAI handles the orchestration, who talks to whom and when. The big win. Its manager agent feature has become incredibly sophisticated in 2026, automatically delegating tasks based on agent busyness and expertise. Best for business process automation and content pipelines. It's the most intuitive plug-and-play framework for moving from concept to a working team in an afternoon. AutoGen is the powerhouse for those who need their agents to actually do the work, specifically the coding. Developed by Microsoft, it's built around conversational patterns. Dev perspective. AutoGen's superpower is its Docker-based code execution. An agent writes a Python script to solve a data problem, executes it in a sandbox, sees a traceback, and fixes its own code. It's self-healing. 2026. Update. AutoGen Studio has evolved into a full-blown IDE for agents. If you're building software engineering bots or heavy data crunching tools, the Microsoft ecosystem support here is unbeatable. Best for autonomous coding, scientific research, and scenarios where agents need to interact with local files and APIs. Finally, the newcomer that's quickly becoming the industry standard for enterprise, PydanticAI. Built by the team that gave us Pydantic, this is for the developers who are tired of hallucinated JSON. The real talk for devs. We've all been there. Your agent returns a string when you expected an object. PydanticAI solves this with strict type safety. It uses Python type hints to validate every exchange between agents and LLMs. Why we love it. It introduces dependency injection. This makes your agents incredibly easy to unit test because you can mock your LLM calls and tools effortlessly. It feels like writing clean, professional-grade Python code, not just prompt engineering. Best for production environments where a schema violation isn't just a bug, it's a system failure.